there, soldiers. Blade Fox Fairy speaking. And today I have some news. I got another Birb! And... hello, Caboose. But no, Caboose is not my new Birb. You already know that. He is my oldest, but I got a new bird. His name is Tucker. I finally have the complete team of Blue Team from Red vs. Blue.
Caboose! Toss that grenade! That was the worst throw ever. Of all time.
Not my fault. Someone put a wall in my way.
Tess, you are embarrassing me! Ow! Stop! Ow! Hey, are you gonna get ow? Is it help me or not?
Tucker, let's go! Okay, little dude, I gotta go now. Tex needs me in church to back her up.
Huh, I guess you have been teaching him some stuff.
Yay! He's really tiny still, and I've only had him for a few days, but he's adorable. He's still timid of me. Yeah, I see you, Tucker. Anyway, all three of my birds are outside the cage, and they're on top of the cage right now, but he's adorable. I will show some videos of when I first got him. Of course, before I do, I want to explain saying that when I originally got him, I wasn't planning on getting him. Me and my mom just took off to where I first got Caboose in church, and we were just gonna go look at some rope perches, and then I saw that they had birds. Now, before, they just said that they're gonna order in the birds instead of, you know, carrying them at the store. But when we got there, they had birds, and they were adorable. I also saw like a little green and yellow one in there, or I think it's just green, I don't know, but yeah, most of them were all blue. And Church, when I got her, I had to have her ordered. And I think the reason for that would be, I'm getting off topic, but yeah, I had to order Church, but when I got Tucker, it was because I saw Birbs at the pet store where I got all three of them. And we ended up coming home with a bird. We meant to get rope perches or take a look at rope perches to see if they had any, but nope, we came home with a bird, and we got Tucker. Who is still a cute little baby. He's still cute. Well, he's kind of like a cute little baby. I don't know the gender yet. His little snoot is still green. Or no, not green. What the? That would mean that your bird is sick or something. What is wrong with me? His thing is still pink. I'm dumb. I swear. And how am I supposed to know that he is a baby? His wings are still clipped, so he can't fly, but I'm sure he's still pretty young for, you know, he looked like Caboose when I first got Caboose. If you don't know, he was really tiny, and his little snoot was pink. Anyway, I hope you enjoyed the videos, and also I have some pictures, so if I forget to do my outro again like last time, salute to you, soldiers, and Blady out.
This one.
Not having it. Yeah, Trisha Caboose are gonna love him. Thank you. Just got Tucker, and we're bringing him home. The only reason why we went to the pet store in the first place is to get rope perches, but we got a bird instead. Won't Caboose and Church be happy? We got actual toys. Okay, so we just got Tucker. If I can just figure out how to open this. Just stick it in there. Oh, he's ticked. He is ticked. Stick it in there. Oh my goodness. He will not be deterred.
They're like, what are you putting in here with us? Doctor! It's like, holy Christ.
Yep, that's a
Tucker
tucker.
too. What do you think about your new buddy, guys? They're like, you're not putting that thing in here, are you?
They're scared.
Oh no, oh no, you don't put me in there. His wings are nothing like these guys.
Because they're babies. Okay, so we have Caboose, we have Church, and now we have Tucker. The blue team's all complete. Just they need to adapt to each other first.
Look at him going over there.
Yeah, Caboose is like Caboose is like,
hello, I know you had a rough time coming in here, but I want to know that I love you already, because I'm your big brother, and I love you, and I do the same for Church, too, because she, okay, no.
Okay. Hey there, you guys. Blade Fox Fairy speaking. Wait, no. I need to try my new intro. Cutting that out if I remember to edit it out. Future me, edit that out. Okay.